I'm donating my time, energy, and resources to making this room magical. It's for a little girl whose grandmother decided to raise her, and she didn't have any girly girl things, and she never had a daughter, so she was baffled. And so I decided to take this on and make this room magical for this little girl.
Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girls, put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright.
I've got the beds in. I have the shandy in. I have the furniture like almost painted, just one more coat each on each of them, and then I'm going to start doing the fun stuff, putting everything together.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica, girl.
You know, I've done a lot of rooms now in giving back. But this room, it really brings me joy. It's so fun. And this is a little girl's room. And she came to live with her grandmother. And so her grandmother wanted her to have her own little special room. And so that's what I did. I put it together. Volunteered all of my time and efforts, which makes it so rewarding for me that now she's going to get a chance to see her new little room.
Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what